So we are at CES 2023. We had an opportunity to do something kind of special here today, kind of fun. This is the first time a customer will be videoed doing the unboxing experience. So Paul, with that, take it over and unbox your T10.
Let's see how it works. A handwritten note to me.
We do
Mr.
that.
Paul Babakakis. That is. So let's see. And I'm pulling this out right now. I feel I'm taking out like a Rolex watch or something. That's my feel. But probably even more technologically advanced.
Oh yeah, I would say so.
That's how I see it.
Mechanically similar, but technology. I think we might have Rolex beat.
There we go. Nothing to Rolex. It was only a statement, not a claim. Oh, look at this in the mirror. You can actually look at yourself.
You can? You can see
Look
how
at
sexy you
that.
are.
Oh my God. Check this out. That is beautiful. That is truly a work of art. You really have to see how this is created. So it's a device within a device.
Because they're computers, they go through a little boot sequence. Here we're firing up twin ARM quad-core processors, 2 sets of DSPs.
Wait, what did you just say we're firing up? Twin ARM
quad-core processors. Yeah, one each
Wow.
here. Hitting that button and holding it 1 second, not only does it wake them up, it establishes and pairs them automatically. So by the time you take them out of the case, they're already playing music half the time. Right? They're ready to go.
What should I tell it?
You try saying ear micro.
Ear micro.
Volume up.
Volume up.
And try next track.
Ear micro. Next track. But there's no music playing right now. Now there is.
Yeah, you can start it by saying play or by saying next track. Try pause.
Ear micro. Pause.
Right? Let's try transparency on. Ear micro.
Ear micro. Transparency.
On.
On.
Now you hear transparency?
Yes.
So you can,
Now I hear you much better.
I bet.
Yes.
Yeah. And you can adjust the level of transparency from the app, the slide bar, right?
Where's
So there's
so if I wanted to amplify this sound in the room, I can do that as well?
you can.
I do hear that.
Is that nuts?
Yes.
It's like you smoked a doobie.
Very, very intuitive system here. It's a beautiful design. It's creativity.
It'll take you a little time to use all the features. There's a lot of them.
Yeah. And to answer the phone, you said I could just shake my head upward.
You can. We could call you and try it.
I have a phone right here. Let's do it.
All right. Let's call it. When you do the nod, up, down, up.
The phone is ringing. It just answered the phone. That is cool. That is cool. I have to tell you.